Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cloth and Paper YouTube channel. If you're C&P OG, you know we love our pens over here, and today we're going through some of our current favorites for everyday writing. We'll test each pen, talk about their features, see how they write, and even test for smudging and rate our favorites. Let's get started. Starting off with a pop of color and my personal favorite, we have the Kobaru Coloring Night two-way markers. These are dual tip markers with a fine point tip on one side, writing in dark navy ink, and have a clear chisel tip on the other side. Now here's the fun part. After you've written with the pen side, use the chisel side and transform your writing into a new color. These pens are so exciting and feel like I'm doing a magic trick, and they come in 3 colors: Moonlit Yellow, Twilight Purple, and Dusk Orange. I give these an 11 out of 10. Our next pen is the Uni-ball Signo 307 Gel Pen, and these come in 2 colors, black and blue, and are a 3.8mm nib. They write so smoothly and they have a textured grip, and they're great for precise note-taking. Let's test their smudging. Clear and dry quickly, 9 out of 10. Next up is the Pentel Energel S Gel Pen. I really like the barrel on these, especially the blue one. I think the color is so vibrant, and these also write really smoothly. Most of the pens we're showing are thinner nibs, around 0.3mm, which I personally love. These ones are 0.3mm and come in blue and black ink. No smudging here, rate 10 out of 10. Now we have the Pentel Floatune Gel Pen, coming in 3 different nib sizes and 2 ink colors. The black ink pens come in 0.3mm and 0.5mm. And the red ink pen comes in a 0.4 nib, right in the middle. The 0.5mm is juicy, and the red ink is bright and eye-catching. They write so smoothly and don't smudge. Another 10 out of 10. Last is our Uni-Pin sign pen. This is the smallest nib at 0.24mm, and it allows for the most precise writing. This is the pen you want for any sign-offs, whether it's initialing documents or giving your autograph, and it doesn't smudge under highlighters, and it's great for labeling. Another 10 out of 10. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let us know which pen sparked your interest and which one you want to give a try. These pens will be available on our site starting at 3 p.m. EST on November 7th during happy hour. Let us know in the comments which ones you get. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you all in the next one.